Hey, welcome to the 6K a month training. Pretty much I'm finna show you how what we're gonna do to pretty much to start your income shift begins today for you to start making $6,000 a month. Check this out, real great, real simple. Stay to the end. Welcome. Pretty much we're gonna be talking about the numbers needed to make 6K a month, moving up at your own pace, increasing your skill set value, and the bonus guide for staying for the whole presentation on what we do. Get out a pen and paper if you want to. I advise it. Check me out. I'm Wally Copeland. I've been involved in internet marketing for a number of years, number of time, and I'm into showing people and to learning new ways to generate money on autopilot. Now, what it takes to make 6,000 a month, first you must understand numbers first. It's all a numbers game. 6,000 a month equals to $2,000 a day. $2,000 a day. So now we're at a simple number that's easy to manage. How do we make $200 a day? If you got a $25 program and you sell 8 of those a day, that's going to equal, for the next 30 days, that's going to equal $6,000. And you got a program that is $100 and you sell 2 a day every day, that's going to give you $6,000 in a regular 30-day month. If you have a product that is $250, you sell 1 a day for the next 30 days, that's $7,500. If you have a program that is $500 and you sell one of those a day, that's going to give you $15,000. $15,000. So we already know what we're dealing with and we know what we're working with. So how do we do this? Let's start with the minimum, $25. A $25 program, if you can't afford a $25 program, something is wrong with you. $25 program with no overhead, no other interest ahead of time, or nothing like that. That's what we want to start you with. The product that we're doing this with is with the $25 one up, a simple digital franchise that'll provide the knowledge. Pretty much what this program is, it's 100% paying commission. 100% commission instant paying program. It teaches you how to market and promote a digital business online. You get pre-written ads, face group cheat videos, 50 promotion ideas, and mindset training. You get this all at the $25 level. Now they have 3 other additional levels. A $100 level, which goes deeper into Instagram and Facebook training. A $250 level, which will go into the Facebook, Instagram, and Facebook ads training. And they got a $500 program, which goes into more of creating your own digital product, training behind it, hiring people, pretty much getting people up under you that will pretty much produce sales for you. So all you got to do is just sit back and relax. Now, to get before anybody jumps to the $500 level, they just need to get basic skills in digital marketing, which comes with the $25 level. How to begin? Basically, you join at the $25 level. You will pay a $10 hosting fee that pays for your website and your 20 landing pages. You get a $25 instant commission on your first sale, and everyone who signs up under you, they will pass up their second sale to you. So you will make money on top of money. So you look at these results right here. Easy person just got a whole bunch of $25 gold membership payment directly into their PayPal, instant account. The PayPal, their bank account, Venmo, Cash App. You get to select that. The results speak for themselves, and you'll get this whole digital dashboard. How to make money faster? Well, see, we have 4 levels. The $25 level, which everybody is encouraged to start with first. You got the $100 level once you feel you need to learn more and you're ready to elevate. You got the $250 level when you're ready to start making more money. And you got the $500 level when you're ready to go into ultimate digital marketing supremacy. Now check this out. If a person signs up under you for $25, you will get $25. But if a person signs up but if you're on the $100 level and a person signs up for a $100 level, if a person signs up for the $100 level, they get the $25 and you'll get the remaining 75. So if you're on the $100 level and somebody signs up for $25, you will get $25. But when they sign up somebody and they just go straight to the $100 level, that person that signed them up will get 25, but since they all signed up under you, you're going to get the additional $75. And that can happen anytime, or while you sleep, while you're playing around, this, that, and third. So the money that you can make on a normal day is endless, especially when you hop up to the next level and you feel like you need to increase to make more money. But everybody needs to start at ground one. Nobody builds a house without the foundation. Nobody makes Kool-Aid without that putting in the powder first and the sugar and all that stuff there, okay? So $25 level, get you in there, get your first sale, you're already in the clear. Made your money back. Do that a couple times or off the rip, hey, I got it. Let me just go ahead and go up to $100 level because you're trying to quickly retire as quick as possible. Then go ahead and do that, and that option will be right there as soon as you sign up. Now, what's next? Simply just get started. It's only $25. Start making 100% commissions. You level up at 100, 250, 500 when you're ready. Once you get started, you get the following